Guys, Julie Mando here, and today's video I'm here at Picnic Food Hall. Try natin dito kung okay ang pagkain na bukas ng today's ano. So enjoy watching. Ito ako. Today's video I'm here at Far East Plaza. This is something new here, the Picnic Food Hall. So try natin kakain dito guys. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ang ganda no. Open to go. May lubib, may niyok pa dito. Mga noodles, chicken noodles. May chicken rice this side. Hanap ako ng upo. May Japanese cuisine. May paborito na ano. And then mayroon siya dito guys na Filipino. Seafoods dito guys. Seafoods, pig liver, bamian, meatballs. Meron siya dito mga tofu. Dito sa na area, fish curry. Fish curry head. Ang ganda ng area. Tayo sa kabila. Fish this side. Japanese. This side also there's more drinks area guys. So mga drinks. Ganda diba? Na area. Can I have calamansi juice? Calamansi juice. Drinks. to dito. Tapos sarap. Kumain guys, i-tour ko kayo around this area also. Sa labas at saka sa loob. What's in here? Look at this. Wow. Ganda na. I like this. Like this. Labas na tayo. Here. Dito siya na area. Ito pala yung dating may mga paminda na mga mga dress, wala na siya. Naging food na. So dito na siya guys. Out here. Ano siya. Ganda diba? So, pasok tayo sa loob. Ito naman na area, mayroon siyang The King of Malatang, Sanchliang Malatang. Kainan din siya guys. And doon is KFC. So, pasok tayo dito. Try natin. Oh, there's a Korean supermarket. Oh, there's a Shine Korean supermarket here. Mayroon palang Subway dito. There's a Liho. This is Indorasa na kainan. Tamyan Kaya Toast. Yung Coffee and Kaya Toast. Korean cuisine also dito guys. May na yung sushi. Ano saan siya? Mga alam, mani. Korean cuisine. This side is the Subway. May Subway dito. Subway. So, inikot na tayo. Fitting ko. All the artworks displayed. This guys. Yes. Mga artworks, paintings. Oh, this is so beautiful. Ang ganda naman ito. May kapehan dito. Fans Cafe. Fans Cafe. Here this side. This is shoes and bags area. All the paintings here. Singapore, Leon. So that's it guys in this area. Ikutin natin dito what's in here. Mga paninda lang. It's quiet Sunday. May kainan sa dito guys. This is Good Morning Nanyang Cafe. Oh, there's a Nanyang Cafe there guys. Good Morning Nanyang Cafe. Oh, I know there's a Nanyang Cafe here. This area. Jewelries. Sunny Eyewear. Ano po dito? Mga watches. Let's see what's on the other side. Yatin natin. Watches also. So it's like this. Let's go up in this other level. May Watson dito din area. Around this area also on level 3. Mga dresses, watches, dresses, guys. Oh, the other side is watches exchange. Wow. Mga relo. Watches. And managing here, they said. Oh, there's a shop here selling dresses. Like I wear. Ganda naman. The shops here too. Actually, ang ganda ng white. Outer dresses here. So, ganda din. So that's it, guys. Tapos na rin kumain, and I'll show you all over here also. So thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.